Just want to use this form to piggyback on the buyer brokerage agreement, but this sort of explains a little bit about why we have gone to be using the buyer brokerage agreements. So things have always been changing, and this is just another form of change. So it used to be, as I mentioned, something that we opted to do, but now it's becoming mandatory. It says buyer brokerage agreements have been around actually for a very long time. They are now legally required in the state of Washington. So these offer crucial safeguards for everyone and are similar to how longstanding seller listing agreements have always worked. So basically, it just talks a little bit about how it safeguards your interests. These agreements shield you from potential conflicts of interest, mandate me to adhere to specific professional guidelines, and ensure transparency about my legal responsibilities and compensation. All leads to a clear understanding for what that we start as we team up for your upcoming purchase. So it just really makes it clear as to what my job is and how I support you during this process. So the Cascade team's always recommended these agreements, and now they're required standard across the not United States mostly, but Washington state. With a buyer brokerage agreement in place, you will continue top-notch buyer representation, expert negotiations, and extensive market insights that you've always relied on. So I'm still going to be offering all the same things. It's just now we have something in writing that's contractual between the two of us. So just wanted to give a little more insight into how this specifically is working. Obviously, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me.